Here we go. I am so excited. You're here. You're on.
I'm here.
Nik Manojlovich. I never get to do these segments because Annette normally gets to do them. But we're friends too.
Yes.
So I get to do it today.
Yes.
What's your saying? What do you like to say?
Fasten your sweet belts, everybody. Tighten them up. It is the season. I'm going to show you how to make two. Well, I'm going to show you how to make one incredible dessert, and I'm just going to do a little throw to the holiday cookie of the year.
Oh, are we doing the cookie of the year first or last?
So cookie of the year is a beautiful chocolate spice cookie. Nice flavor notes, super easy to make. You can do a little tiny holiday insignia on them, and then at the end we're decorating with white chocolate and peppermint.
Could I hold? I'm going to hold that out. So there's the insignia.
Yeah, there you can see the insignia. It's kind of plain, but sometimes you don't have time to decorate a cookie. Good news is I put this here. This is the dough.
Right.
96 cookies is your yield on the recipe.
You get 96 cookies out of that?
No, this is half of it. Like, you know what I mean? You freeze this and save it for the holidays and bake it off to order. Anyway, so this recipe dropped at weekend@thecottage.com on Tuesday. Everybody's making it. There it is.
Good. Okay. Can I have it while we do the next one? Okay.
Yeah, you have that.
Okay, what do we got here?
Now, this is we are going to make a black forest trifle. How's that?
Fabulous.
Yeah, see? Trifle bowl, right? Standard classic look. In that trifle bowl are cubes of our slab cake, chocolate slab cake, super easy to make. Now I'm going to add in a layer, and a black forest torte. This is where this came from. This is a riff on a black forest torte. So now I'm adding a cherry filling, and this is layer number 2, right? This recipe
is a simple cherry.
I did this like I did this last night. Super easy. Cornstarch, sugar, lemon
with frozen
juice.
Cherries?
Yeah. So cherries are crazy expensive right now, like nutsy. That little bowl of cherries was $12 yesterday in Toronto, probably $11 here in Hamilton. But a little discount. But a frozen bag of cherries works perfect.
Frozen bag of cherries. Because you don't want to substitute. You need the cherries.
It has to be. Yeah, it has to be.
Okay.
So I just put on a layer of pudding in there, and now I'm going back with a mocha whipped cream. So I took whipped cream, add a little bit of espresso, add sugar and cocoa, and you have a mocha whipped cream. Now add some of those. Kim, next layer. How much time do we have?
I don't know.
Okay, good.
Let me keep going
let's
until
keep going. Here. Go.
Oh, we got two and we got 2.5. Oh, I can do that. Okay. We got the peanut gallery over here. Christian Dare is watching. That's our studio audience.
Yeah, he's still holding his cocktail from earlier, wondering, I love this, Nick. I'm making it. Christian's going to make this for the holidays, I can tell you. Look at it over there.
Nice. And then you do another layer.
Yeah,
how many layers do we do all together?
2.
Okay.
Now, when you're doing this at home, you'll see the recipe drops on Tuesday on the website, weekend@thecottage.com. So these components, the cherry filling, chocolate cake, and the chocolate pudding, make it day in advance, and then day of, you're calling your kids, your mother-in-law would be good at this.
Love the monster.
Love the monster.
Morning, Mimi.
Mimi.
You've had the monster before, haven't you?
Mimi, this is for you, sweetheart. Okay, top it off with mocha. Look at how easy this is, right?
Now, do you like to do this in front of people, or do you like to have this done already?
Well, no, I think you could actually. Why not? I just did it in front of people. I just did it in front of the whole listening audience. Look at how happy I am.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Now stop. No, stop. Good. Because now, good. Put that down. Yeah. And now I want to do contrast. Oh. So I also whipped up a little bit of plain whipped cream. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at how quickly we did this, Tim.
Yeah.
Look, and I can't believe how quickly I did this with you.
Exactly.
Grab a cherry.
Cherries.
Wait. Get it ready. I'm doing a sprinkle, little chocolate shavings. Take your vegetable. Look at that. Looks like we are at a fancy restaurant. Get a cherry in
right
there.
On top.
Yeah.
Drop it in.
Well, anyway, back to the trifle. Look at how beautiful it is. Layers, flavors. This is a really easy and fun festive dessert, I'm telling you.
Now, the vessel is key.
Yeah.
So where do you get a vessel like this?
You could look at a HomeSense, look at a Winners. You can purchase them online.
You want it to be glass because you want to be able to see everything,
It has to be, and it should be uplifted. Like a traditional trifle plate is footed. You want this. And trust me, once you make this first time, there's tons of great truffle recipes out there, right?
Does this go in the fridge? Do you want this cold?
I would refrigerate. If we're not going to eat this, you guys are going to eat this at the end of the show. I'll just look at that.
You've got the mint.
Oh yeah. You know what else I forgot too? You have a little bit of the sauce. Look, I just looked at the picture that I shot. That's the beauty shot. I forgot.
Was that,
yeah, you got to drizzle a little
from somewhere.
Yeah. No, that was my beauty shot that I shot. So this is it. You got to put a little drizzle of that on top. Look at that.
What about the mint?
Oh yeah, and the mint.
The mint.
See?
Your whittled mint.
My little wilted. It's not whittled. Whittled is what we did with the chocolate. Look at it. Honestly.
Oh, that looks pretty
But
good.
the trick is, honestly, make ahead the components. Full recipe is coming on Tuesday, weekend at the Cottage.com. You want a spoon? I got a spoon. No, you go ahead.
No, you have to eat too.
I've had okay.
What? Come on. I can't eat by myself.
Fasten those sweet belts, everybody.
Those sweet
Yeah,
belts.
no, it's pretty spectacular, I
That's
think.
a big scoop, huh?
Yeah, yeah. But that's what it should be.
Oh, wow.
I know. Right? I know.
Let's eat this in the break so nobody on the crew can get it.
Yeah, no.
They'll love that.
No, don't do that. That'll make you look bad.
Merry Christmas, Nick.
Love you. Okay.